Hi, this is Career Guru Debojit Bhuya. Today I am going to tell you about SWOT analysis. When it comes to making a career decision, there might be conflicting opinions from parents, teachers, peers, and even within yourself. The best way to solve this problem is by doing a SWOT analysis. This is a management technique applied in business decision making process. But this business management technique can also be applied to other areas of human life, especially in selecting a career. SWOT is an acronym for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The analysis of an individual's capabilities and weakness is a prerequisite for proper selection of a career and ensuring success later on. The majority of people tend to have a herd mentality, simply following what the majority are doing. But you run the risk of landing up in the wrong profession and paying for the rest of your life for the one mistake. A SWOT analysis ensure you do not make such a mistake. To do SWOT analysis, you have to know some of the qualities which you should give emphasis. Quality number one is positive self expectancy. That which you fear or expect most will likely come to pass. The body manifests what the mind harbors. So if you have optimism, enthusiasm, hope, so you can expect better result. Quality number two, positive self motivation. Winners dwell in their desires, not their limitations, penalties, or failures. So if you have desire for change, excitement, urge, so you will certainly succeed in that career. Quality number three, positive self image. What you see is what you get. If you have constructive imagination, visualization, creativity, you can do better in your career. Quality number five, quality number four, positive self direction. What you get is what you set. Goal seeking, purpose oriented, cybernetic. If you set your goal ahead and work for that purpose, certainly you will drive in the right direction. Quality number five, positive self control. Life is a do it yourself project. I take the credit or the blame for my performance. Self determination, choice, you have to decide yourself, and to do this, you must have positive self control. Quality number six, positive self discipline. Habits are being as harmless thoughts like flimsy cobwebs, then with practice become unbreakable cables to shackle or strengthen our lives. It is also said that habit is the second nature. Achievement, simulation, drills, practice, regularly working, etc., will help you in self discipline and achieving your career. Quality number seven, positive self esteem. If you love yourself, then you can give love away. How can you give what you don't feel? Self worth, self respect, self confidence, all these are necessary for success in life and having a successful career. Quality number eight, positive self dimension. When when you create other winners like yourself, life will pay you back and shine its sun upon your face and put the wind at your back. Total person, visionary, humanist, all these characteristics are needed to succeed in career. So if you help others, that will come back to you, and in the long run you will have be a successful life. Quality number 9, positive self awareness. O great spirit, grant me the wisdom to walk in another man's moccasins for a mile before I criticize him. It is very easy to criticize others, but it is very difficult to do that. Self honesty, empathy, openness are required for a successful career. Quality number 10, positive self projection. How you walk, talk, listen, and look is you. Communicative, supportive, impressive, expressive, all these are necessary for a success in career. So all these 10 points are to be considered while you do your SWOT analysis, and you must do your SWOT analysis before you decide your career in your life, because this is a crucial decision in life, and if you take the wrong decision, the whole life you will suffer, and your life will be miserable one. Thank you.